The North American P-51 Mustang is one of the most iconic fighter aircraft in history, recognized for its pivotal role in World War II and its influence on aviation technology. A single-seat, long-range fighter, the P-51 was designed and produced by North American Aviation and primarily served the United States Army Air Forces, USAAF, though it was also used by several allied nations. First flown in 1940, the Mustang quickly gained a reputation for its speed, agility, and adaptability, becoming a symbol of American air power and a critical asset in securing air superiority during the war. The P-51 Mustang was initially designed in response to a British request for a new fighter aircraft in early 1940. At the time, North American Aviation was tasked with producing Curtiss P-40 Warhawks for the Royal Air Force, RAF, but the company proposed designing a more advanced fighter instead. The British Air Ministry agreed, and North American engineers, led by James H. Dutch Kindleberger, developed the first prototype, known as the NA-73X, in just 102 days. The initial versions of the Mustang were powered by the Allison V1710 engine, which limited their high-altitude performance. Despite this, early models like the P-51A showed promise as low-altitude fighters and reconnaissance planes. However, the plane's true potential was realized when it was fitted with the British Rolls-Royce Merlin engine. This new power plant significantly improved the Mustang's performance at high altitudes, making it a formidable fighter capable of escorting bombers deep into enemy territory. The combination of the Merlin engine and the Mustang's innovative aerodynamic design, which featured a laminar flow wing for reduced drag, made the P-51 one of the fastest and most maneuverable fighters of its time. The definitive version, the P-51D, incorporated additional improvements such as a bubble canopy for better visibility and 650 caliber machine guns, making it even more effective in combat. Over the course of World War II, approximately 15,000 P-51 Mustangs were produced, with the bulk of production occurring between 1941 and 1945. The Mustang came in several variants, each optimized for different roles and missions. Early models, such as the P-51A, were primarily used for reconnaissance and ground attack. The most famous variant, the P-51D, was designed for air superiority and long-range bomber escort, with its improved engine and weaponry making it a versatile combat aircraft. The P-51D was the most produced version of the Mustang, with around 8,000 units built. Other notable variants included the P-51B and P-51C, which featured the Merlin engine but had a different canopy design, and the P-51K, a variant of the P-51D with a different propeller and other minor modifications. The P-51 Mustang is best known for its role in World War II, particularly in the European theater, where it excelled as a long-range escort fighter. During the early years of the war, Allied bombers faced heavy losses on missions over Germany due to the lack of effective fighter escorts that could accompany them deep into enemy territory. This changed with the introduction of the P-51 Mustang, which had the range to escort bombers on long missions and the firepower to defend them from enemy fighters. In December 1943, the P-51 began to see combat as part of the USAAF's 8th Air Force. Its long-range capabilities allowed it to escort bombers on raids over Germany, providing crucial protection against the Luftwaffe's fighter planes. The Mustang's arrival significantly reduced bomber losses, enabling the Allies to carry out strategic bombing campaigns that crippled Germany's industrial and military capabilities. The Mustang was not only effective as a bomber escort, but also proved to be a capable dogfighter. Its speed, maneuverability, and heavy armament allowed it to go toe-to-toe with some of the best Axis aircraft, such as the Messerschmitt Bf-109 and the Focke-Wulf FW-190. Mustang pilots claimed thousands of aerial victories, making the P-51 one of the most successful fighter planes of the war. The plane's versatility also extended to ground attack missions, where it was used to strafe enemy targets and provide close air support to ground troops. The P-51 Mustang's success in World War II can be attributed to several key factors. First and foremost was its combination of long range and high performance. The Mustang's ability to escort bombers all the way to their targets in Germany and back made it indispensable to the Allied war effort. Its superior speed and agility gave it a decisive edge in air combat, while its ruggedness and firepower made it effective in a variety of roles. The plane's popularity also stemmed from its adaptability. The P-51 was not only a great escort fighter, but also excelled in ground attack, reconnaissance, and even as a photo reconnaissance aircraft. Its performance was consistently superior across different mission profiles, making it a highly versatile tool for the USAAF and Allied forces. By the end of the war, the P-51 Mustang had become a symbol of American air power. It was credited with destroying more enemy aircraft in Europe than any other Allied fighter, and its contributions to the air war over Germany were critical in securing Allied victory. The Mustang's legacy extended beyond World War II, as it continued to serve in various air forces during the Korean War and into the early years of the Cold War. The P-51 Mustang became popular not only because of its effectiveness in combat, but also due to its sleek design and its association with some of the most celebrated pilots of the war, including members of the famed Tuskegee Airmen. Its distinctive profile, with a long nose and bubble canopy, made it instantly recognizable, and its performance earned it the respect of both Allied and Axis pilots. The Mustang's cultural impact was further cemented by its appearances in movies, books, and air shows, where it continues to be admired by aviation enthusiasts to this day. The aircraft's role in shaping the outcome of World War II and its enduring legacy in aviation history have ensured its place as one of the most celebrated fighter planes ever built. In summary, the North American P-51 Mustang was a highly successful and adaptable aircraft that played a crucial role in achieving air superiority for the Allies during World War II. Its long-range capabilities, excellent performance, and versatility made it one of the most important aircraft of the war, and its legacy continues to influence aviation to this day.